It was quite an adventure to make this pad thai sauce. The key ingredient is tamarind. I checked 3 of my local Asian markets and they didn't have tamarind. So what did I do? I called up a local Asian restaurant and I said, "Hey there, do you have tamarind concentrate?" And they said, "What?" I said, "May I speak with your chef?" So I talked to the chef. I said, "Hi, I'm a local chef in the area. I can't find tamarind, and can I purchase it from you?" He was a little confused with this conversation because I doubt he had any conversation like this before, but I got it and the day was saved. Okay, back to the catering event. I'm now packing up all of the ingredients and equipment. I'll make sure everything's wrapped in saran wrap and packed into these bins so it doesn't move around in the car. A big challenge of catering is transportation of food and keeping the integrity of the food since it's not going to be served immediately. So I did partial cooking at the client's house to keep the food as fresh as it can be. So I loaded up the car with the help of my wonderful parents and we made it to the client's house.